Good evening all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, you've guessed it probably with the title of the video. Another hotel room tour, and I'm on a little breakaway from travelling just now because it is December. It's coming up for Christmas, it's coming up for the holidays. I've been travelling all year, so I'm taking a little break away from travelling to all the Disney parks and all that kind of stuff and cruises. And I am checking out a few hotels whilst back in Scotland, back in the UK, and more specifically back in Glasgow. So tonight I am staying at the MOXY Hotel, another MOXY hotel. I do enjoy staying and visiting the MOXY hotels. This is a new one, so it's been around for a little while now, but this is one I haven't tried. So this MOXY hotel is the one next to the SEC, so the Scottish Exhibition Centre, and I'm going to have a look around. The detail and the theming, all that kind of stuff is pretty similar throughout all the MOXYs, what you get and everything else. So I'll put some links down below in the description box of the other MOXY hotels I have stayed at if you want to check them out, from Glasgow to Birmingham, these kind of things. So yeah, if you're interested you can check them out if you wish later on after this video. So yeah, join me for this video for a room tour of this room. I'll give you all the details, show you some stuff, and maybe show you some of the lobby of the hotel as well. So yeah, join me for this video. Let's go. We are, so a little bit different, straight into the room, straight into the look around the room, not at the front door as I always do it, but we will be going over to the front door. What I will say is I'm trying out a new microphone as well, and I have turned the microphone around to face myself, but this fan, this aircon, I have tried to get this off. I've messed around with the thermostat for about half an hour and I cannot get that off, so apologies if it's picking up that noise, that sound. Hopefully I can get it off later because it is a little bit annoying if you're wanting to try and get to sleep. So overview of the room, straight into the room. It's not a massive bedroom, it's not a huge room, some space over there as you come in. Straight away, of course, the bed. You've got two glass, you've got floating shelves, you've got a normal plug-in socket there with a bedside lamp and a reading light there, which is just coming down. You can have a look. This here, light switch is just there. And on the other side, nice TV. I like the lighting round the TV. Again, similar light across there next to a bigger floating shelf, a longer floating shelf, glass again, and a pull out sort of chair idea there. I've got my phone out charging over there with the USB point, so you've got a USB point there, a USB-C port as well, I believe, normal plug-in, and a European socket. You do get a kettle, real mugs, the milks, coffees, sugars and teas. You get no fridge, so there is no fridge in this room. Again, I always do say it, hotels nowadays really should have a fridge. This chair is very comfortable. I have sat and tested it out. It is very, very comfortable. Nice and relaxing sitting on that, which is a different option than sitting or lying in the bed. Here you have your USB point again, a USB-C port plug in, power as well. So it seems very basic, but it is. There's not any clutter around. There is nice space here to walk around for not being a massive room. This is a Friday night. This is costing me £99 for one night, no breakfast. The parking, you can park at the SEC parking, which is just at the back, or yeah, at the back of the hotel. And if you give them your parking ticket, they'll validate it for £8 overnight cost. Now here, not much of a view, it is night time. This is the view of Glasgow. You've got the Clyde just down there, the River Clyde. That red light is from the camera, not aliens. So yeah, not much of a view, but it's a view nevertheless of Glasgow, of what you can see just now. A few hotels in this area, so you've got the Radisson Red just next to us, which I have stayed at before. I've done a video on that. Just round the corner here, so if you go round this way, and just next to us you've got the Courtyard by Marriott, which I stayed at recently. That video is up on my channel if you want to check that out as a comparison to this hotel if you're coming to the SEC, because that's what these products are ideally located for. Let's go over here. Now again, apologies if you're picking up this noise. I know it is a little bit annoying, so bear with me if you can. This is your only hanging space. Couple of hangers and the point there to hang everything. I've got my bags, my shoes out just now. Full mirror, floor to ceiling, with a nice light behind it as well. And I like all this Scottish slang. Sun's out, taps off, that means the sun's out. Take your top off, and you've got some famous sights there. And hairdryer. So pretty cool, touched with that wallpaper. And that's really it for the entrance. There's a plug here. I've always wondered why that plug was there. I'm guessing it's for cleaners to plug in the hoover. That's always been my guess. This is the thermostat that I cannot get to work to shut this off. It might just be a problem with it, but yeah, that's where we are. Let's go into this shower room, because there's no bath in this room. All very modern, very clean. Again, very similar to all the MOXY products. You get the mirrors with lights, and you get me. Well, you don't get me. I don't come with the room. this is me in the, yeah, you get what I'm saying. Sink. You do get muck for your face or hands. Yep. Some glasses there, some tissues, shaver only, charging point. Nice shower. Showers are always good in the MOXY hotels. And there you have some body wash and conditioner. Yeah, all very similar to all the other MOXYs and MOXY hotels. So yeah, there's not a lot more to show for the room. You do get, what's that there, so you get your standard stuff on a TV. There's nothing really crazy about the TV, but it has welcomed me, spelt my name right. But nothing crazy, as I mean, like, you can't order anything for your TV for food. There is food downstairs in the lobby. If I can't get a clip of that, I'll put that in just now. I might go down and get some food and just relax down in the lobby. So if I do that, I'll put that clip in, or clips in just now, and you can have a look around and see that for yourself. I had to sit down on this chair, it's just too good. It's too relaxing. I might not even make it downstairs, who knows. But yeah, I've always enjoyed MOXY hotels, and they're really good for their locations where they're all kind of all based. They get them at airports and whatnot, like other hotels, but I've seen them down, I've stayed at Birmingham, like I mentioned, and yeah, it's got everything you need apart from, for me anyway, apart from a fridge. I'm not going to repeat myself, but you should have a fridge. And I just like the vibe, I like the feeling of a MOXY hotel. It's just different when if you've stayed in a MOXY hotel before, you know what I'm saying. It's, the lobby's all a bit out there, a bit strange, so that's why I like it, because it's different and it's not the norm. So yeah, I like a MOXY hotel. The price I mentioned, £99, that will vary depending on the kind of supply and demand, because if there's something on at the SEC, yeah, it's going to be popular, so the price will go up. So depending on when you're planning to visit, or if you're going to see something or stay in Glasgow, you might want to go more centrally into Glasgow, so just double check if there's going to be anything showing event wise at the SEC, or the Oval Arena as well nearby, so just double check. Just that the price will vary as well for that, so do your research. There's plenty of videos that I have done for hotels in the city centre of Glasgow, so you can go check them out if you wish. But yeah, there's nothing really. What else we got in this room that I mentioned? Did I mention? No, never mentioned. Didn't mention. When all the lights are off and you're sleeping and you wake up and you have to go to the bathroom or anything, there is a light, an automatic light that comes on underneath the bed, which I always found really cool. So you don't have to turn the light on for the room, so you just step out of bed and the light comes on. So I'll show you that just now. It's pretty cool. I'll put that clip in just now, sorry. It is pretty cool. I think that's different. That's probably a little bit unique to the MOXY hotel. I haven't really seen that anywhere else, I don't think. I don't know if that's in the Yotel hotel, don't know why I'm thinking that, but yeah, that's a little bit different. And that's it. There's nothing else to show, because it's as simple as that. And I don't know when this video will come out. It will come very close to Christmas, so yeah, it's I am really looking forward to my travel plans I have next year. Honestly, this year has been non-stop for me. I have been to Florida 3 times for the parks. If you haven't followed me, it's your first time watching me, the main content that I do comes under travel, but my passion lies with Walt Disney World, Disneyland Paris, Universal Studios Orlando in general. Disney cruises has really kind of hooked me in. It's just something about them, I just can't put my finger on it. Obviously I'm a Disney fan of the parks, I think that's the link there really, but Disney cruises, amazing. So if you want to see a lot more of that content, if you haven't seen it before, go and check it out. But if you want to see more of that, hit subscribe, follow me on social media, hit notification on YouTube, the notification bell that tells you when a new video comes up. Or if you want to see videos, I'd usually chuck in these kind of videos, and I've been doing other videos as well this year. I've been doing Comic Cons, things like that. I don't really know next year if how I'm going to do it just yet. I'm having a few thoughts going through my head just now how I'm going to put videos out, and I'll touch on that in future videos very soon. But I'm still going to be doing a lot of the content I enjoy, really, because that's what motivates me. I enjoy it, you enjoy it, and yeah, you follow and support the channel, as well, and yeah, it gets the information out there for people who want to plan their holidays and also enjoy it, because I enjoy watching other content creators, and hopefully you enjoy the videos that I do as well. So anyway, I am going to leave it there because I'll just keep talking, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Hit like, always helps to get the video out there for people who need it, and it helps the channel as well for myself. So yeah, that's it really. Hope you enjoyed the video, hopefully you found it useful. Until the next time, next video, hope you're all well, and see you soon. Bye bye.